What animals are used in animal testing? Have you ever wondered which animals are involved in the often controversial practice of animal testing? It's a topic that raises many ethical questions. Let's break down the types of animals commonly used in these experiments. The most frequently used animals in laboratories are rodents, particularly mice and rats. These small creatures make up the majority of laboratory animals due to their size, rapid breeding, and genetic similarities to humans. They are essential for research in areas like genetics, aging, cancer, and drug effects. Beyond mice and rats, fish and birds are also commonly used. These animals are often selected for their specific biological traits or because they can be housed in large numbers. Rabbits and guinea pigs are popular choices as well, especially in immunology and vaccine development. Rabbits have been traditionally used for eye irritation tests, although their use is declining over time. Dogs and cats are less common in research but still play a role, particularly in studies related to heart health and orthopedic issues. Non-human primates, such as monkeys, are used less frequently due to ethical concerns and legal restrictions. However, they are important for research that requires a close biological similarity to humans, like studies in neuroscience and infectious diseases. Other rodents, such as gerbils and chinchillas, are sometimes used for specific research purposes. The choice of which animal to use often depends on the scientific question being asked, the type of test being conducted, and regulatory requirements. From an ethical standpoint, the use of animals in testing raises significant questions about the justification of causing potential harm to these sentient beings for human benefit. Different ethical frameworks provide contrasting views on this issue. Moral relativism might allow for variations in the acceptance of animal testing based on cultural or situational factors. In contrast, moral universalism emphasizes the inherent rights of animals and their welfare, which could limit or even prohibit such practices. In practice, ethical considerations have led to regulations aimed at reducing animal suffering. These include requiring alternatives when possible, minimizing pain and distress, and using the smallest number of animals necessary for research. However, many animals used in testing, especially those not covered by specific welfare laws, may not have their conditions fully reported or regulated. This poses ongoing ethical challenges. To summarize, the animals used in testing range widely, but mice and rats dominate the numbers. Other commonly used animals include fish, birds, rabbits, guinea pigs, dogs, cats, and non-human primates. The ethical debate surrounding their use continues to focus on balancing scientific benefits against the moral obligation to treat animals humanely and consider their welfare.